Alright, boy, big up yourself. Jamaica, Toronto, England, all over the world, me say. Wanna big up on yourself. Alright, I'm going to the big man right here, so I'm gonna say something about holy water. Where's about holy water right now?
I tell you about the girl who said she want the alum.
The girl want alum?
Yeah.
Why you fuck her last night? Why pussy not tight?
No, she said she want some alum for time.
She don't tell her she me sell the pussy tight now. And me sell the pussy tight now. Baby, you want some pussy tight now too? Come on, you want it? Your cocky big? Your cocky large? Your cocky can't fit in a tight hole. So you have good cocky then, boy. Alright. So right now, I say, you know, see what the doctor love? I'm already put holy water on him. And when the pussy tight, you have to put holy water on the pussy for your fuck it, you know? Yeah. Because run on the demons in from the pump, you know? That's what I say, you know? Yeah, man, run on the plan for the pump, you know? I say, you know, big up Jamaica, big up Toronto, Guyana, Trinidad, Brazil, everybody know who me is already. All the to the big up on themselves. And we are saying enough girl walk on the same body right and then pump tight. And then pump smile, now bring no stripe.
Sleep with the guy. And the next man says she wants some alum for tight in trash around. She go back to her man. Then she go back to her man. She wants some alum. She wants some alum for tight.
Yes, come on, sir. So we say, the girl sit tight, come on, sir. Are you cocker up, sir? Are you cocker up, sir? Are you never tight? Oh, you know, come closer, come right there, sir. Are you older? And I put my shoulder, she vibrate like that. Maybe you can see me, go further so you can see me, go further. Go back. Come now, man.
Go further.
You can do her foot like this?
Yeah.
I shall give her foot like this?
Yeah.
Whoa, I will see her she right like this. Whoa, I want this. Yes, baby. So that's how we do it. We're all but with a coat. Hello, people who don't know pick up on themselves, but them go all look after more all look. Pump tight and pump right. Baby, alright. So we're out there right now. I'm here big up my Jamaican friend. Come and say, go check some girl and some girl look nice, but them pump big. And I said the girl, I dive down on the girl and said, boy, she want some alum. She want to come check the par you to sell the alum. To tighten up her pump oil. Pump too loose. Like a foot loose. Like a foot loose. So right now we're out there right now, I get ready to go home. Long day at work, me finish work. I'm going up to wash my pump and brush my teeth and eat some food. Yes, me say we out there so I work. When I work the pump muscle, we are work with natural and we got to give it natural talent we have. When I work no pump, right baby? What you up to with the tongue of you? Come here over here, so come look for me. Come over here, so. You better go see up on YouTube. Come over here, so. Oh, your tongue so sexy. Oh, your tongue so sexy. Blood clot, a girl have nice tongue. Then that not painful. The earring, it's painful?
A little bit,
but not too much. Oh, you look young.
21.
You have some young pussy, you gotta be careful you walk around like this shit. You're young, you could be my daughter. You know what, my son is 26.
Really?
So you're a baby. How you walk around such a young girl like this?
I have practice.
You have practice to walk around like this first?
Cheerleading practice.
Huh?
Cheerleading practice, step practice.